Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create custom footer in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see templates and then you see theme builder. So click on it. So we are going to create custom footer for our website. Now theme builder open and you see different option header, footer, single post. Now we are going to create footer. So click on it. Now you see different footer style. So this is pro version. If you want you can use this according to your requirement. Now hover on it and then you see insert button. So you can select and then click on insert. Now click on insert and then you see connect to template library. So if you want to add pro footer in your website, then you can connect your Gmail or any ID to template library. So click on get started. Now you see connect your site to template library. So click on connect. Now template library connection done. Now you see apply the setting of this blog too. So click on apply. Now you see footer design edit. So you can customize design according to your requirement. Now click on any widget. Now you see image. If you want you can replace. Now you see opening hour, phone number, address. So you can add any widget according to your requirement in footer. Now click on it. Now you see different elements here. Now you see heading, image, text editor. Also you see navigation menu. Now click on publish and then you see message. Where do you want to display your template? So click on add condition and then include entire site. Then save and close. Now auto update and publish. Now you see update done. Now go to website. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see footer added. So you can customize footer according to your requirement, or if you want you can create design from scratch. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.